Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So tonight's video is called Journal Jubilee, and it's an open collab, and it is hosted by myself. My channel is Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds, and it's also hosted by Jennifer at Perry Piccolo's Vlogs and Jamie at Jamie Leisman. So, and I will link the channels below, and like I said, it is an open collab. Anybody is welcome to join in. I noticed that there are a couple of people that have joined in, and I just want to say I really appreciate it so much for the people that are jumping on. I love seeing other people's journals. My particular journal, I like calling it a joy journal, and my journal is completely about memories. I noticed that a lot of people's journals, everybody's is different. My particular journal is about my life, my memories, things that happen. This particular journal today rather, is a May journal. I have 3 birthdays this month. If you have been watching along, you'll see my son, myself, and my sister. Matter of fact, my sister's coming up real soon. My son already had his birthday, and mine's at the end of the month. So anyway, I did add a few things to the front of this journal. So I added that pineapple, and then I added the word May. I had those letters from like some stickers, and then I added that little flower. Now this might be kind of blaring on there, so let me just, I don't even know if I said that I put that pineapple on there too. So anyway, that's new on the front, okay? And then when you open this up, what's new on this? No, nothing new. I'll just like kind of scan over it. Okay, and then, oh, I put this up there because summer's coming, right? And that just was so summery. I had to have it, right? And then let's see what else. Okay, I already did this. You guys already saw that and heard that story. And that's the coloring that I did for another collab that I join in every now and then. Okay, so this, there's a little, like a cowgirl roping that house. And there's a reason for that, okay? Even though it was my son that said it when he was a little boy. He was so little, but he was so adorable. And he said, Mama, when I get older, I'm going to rope you a red house. So this is like represents him, okay? But I think it is a girl, but so what? It represents my son. And there's the red house because that's drawn in red. So I thought that was so cute. I had to put that in there, right? And then I feel like I cook a lot, even though I probably really don't cook a lot. But I feel like when my grandkids come over, that's all I do. So that kind of reminded me of me, just going back and forth in the kitchen. And then I love anything nostalgic, so I put that up there because it kind of reminds me of like a smoothie, but at the same time it's real nostalgic, right? And then I added some little ladybugs. Those are ladybugs, right? So anyway. And then on the side over here, this was like an empty space, so I just added some stickers, like summery stickers. And then I added like pretzels because it reminds me of a carnival. Because, I've been seeing a lot of carnivals around lately. And I love carnivals. And then I just put the coffee there, a little sticker of coffee that's added on to this page. And then, okay, I didn't really do anything there or on this page. And then I didn't do anything on there or over here. The new stuff is coming up, guys. So let's see here. I'm just going to kind of skim over what was already there, though. Alright, so I love the monsters. I wish I could, I probably will be able to find a picture of the whole entire family. But on one of the channels that I watch, I think it's called Cozy, I see a lot of reruns. And when I saw this, I said, oh my god, I have to see that. The monsters in my area, I live in Massachusetts. In my area, they come on at midnight. And I'm kind of like a night owl, so I watch them. There's 2 of them in a row. One starts at midnight and the other one's at 12:30. They kind of rerun a lot of those old shows, like The Nanny. I finally watched The Nanny. I know everything about it now. So it's like, I never even really thought I was going to like some of the shows I watch, but oh, I love The Munsters. That is my show right there. And so I had to have that. That's Eddie Munster all grown up. And then you saw this from last week. And then this is going to be the end of it, guys. I just put a couple of cards in here that were handy. I don't know what I did with the other Mother's Day cards right now, but they'll go on this side when I find them. And this is from my daughter. I'm not going to open it up because she wrote me something really nice inside, but it's, you know, really just her writing to me. And it's like a whole bunch of mom, 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 what? I guess that's the mother going, what? So, and then one of my sons got me this, and I did put this in a short, but you've got to see it, okay? It is so cute, all right? So you got to press on it, and I won't talk while it sings. As a matter of fact, let me shut the light out so you can see the little flowers, because those 3 flowers at the top, they light up. So I think that's the only thing that lights up, but let's do it. Let me get this right. Hold on a minute.
Every morning, every evening, we love you, Mom. For the hard stuff and the fun stuff, glad we got Mom. You make us happy whenever we're blue. And we get savvy just thinking of you. There's nothing better. We love you so and we will forever. Happy Mom Day. You're the Mom Day. We love you, Mom.
How adorable is that card, right? And the son that gave it to me, you know, obviously he's a grown man now. He has a daughter, and actually she picked out this card, my granddaughter. So if you're watching, I love you. Thank you for this beautiful card, and I love it so much. And then he's the one that when he was a little kid, he said he was going to rope me a red house. He was like, he must have been like 4. I don't know. He was so cute though. And that being said, I was going to say something else about this card too, and I can't remember what the heck I was going to say. But how cute is that, right? I love it. And I'm thinking to myself, if I shut this book too tight and that gets pressed on, I don't know. So I might not keep this card in that inside of there. I might just keep the cards that don't do stuff like that. I don't know. We'll see, because I don't want to wreck it up because it's so nice. Oh, and that's how he spells my name, Ma. You know, M-A-H. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to, you know, say thank you so much for coming along and watching the journal, the Journal Jubilee. I really appreciate all of you watching and everybody who has jumped on. Let me put that light on for one more minute. So I'd like to give a shout out to Janita at Janita's Black Folks Well Wishes Arts and Crafts. So go check her channel out. Janita, thanks so much for jumping on board and coming along on the Journal Jubilee. And also I'd like to give a shout out to Lene at Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond, because she also joined in on the Journal Jubilee. So thank you, Lene, as well. I really appreciate you both for jumping on. And once again, thank you all for watching, and go check out those channels, guys. I really appreciate you. I know I say that a lot. I keep repeating myself. But anyway, guys, I hope you're all having a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.